Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome to 𝐶𝐶 Technologies. Today, we will continue with our SQL accounting software training with the topic SQL AI Scan. This is a new module from SQL with the purpose to allow user to snapshot or take photo of receipt, purchase invoice, and others document and WhatsApp to a specific number. After that, SQL user able to download this document into SQL accounting software by using OCR technology, which will extract the text in this photo and insert into SQL accounting software transaction, example payment voucher and so on. Let's get started. Step 1. You need to log into SQL accounting software, go to Tools, go to Option, go to OCR, and you can create different category and assign account code accordingly. Example, you create category of restaurant and you assign the restaurant account code. You can create unlimited category and assign account accordingly. Step 2. Go to Tools, Maintain User. Make sure the staff or user in the SQL accounting software that will snapshot the photo have been assigned the mobile number. Example, for Brian, I have assigned the mobile number. Step 3. Register the user for SQL AI Scan. Click on the cloud icon, go to AI Easy Scan, then click on this user icon and register sender. Select the user, click OK. Then click on copy link to clipboard. And you have 5 minutes for the user to authorize. What you need to do, you may just send a WhatsApp to the user. From the user point of view, he will receive this link and he need to click on the link. What he need to do is send this message to the specific number which auto-generated. Click send. Then user should receive a message saying that he have successfully linked with the company's directory. From here, user can start to do snapshot and send the picture. For example, the user want to snapshot a restaurant receipt. He just need to open the WhatsApp, go to SQL Scan like this, snapshot the photo of the receipt, then send. Once you see the tick sign, meaning that already upload to the cloud, and from SQL point of view, you may just refresh and the user can see the transaction. SQL user can change the category if he want to, or change the document type and confirm the company details. So you can see that with the SQL AI Easy Scan, it will automatically generate a payment voucher for this receipt. You can double confirm the details. You may change some details, example, may pay to the restaurant. Then confirm all the details in the item level. Example, this will go to this restaurant account, the description, amount, and so on. Let's say everything you satisfied, then you can click save. So what will happen is, after you close this one, you go to GL, cash flow entry. You can search for the transaction, go in, and you can see that the transaction automatically fill up and created. And if you go to attachment, you can open up the receipt. Even you already created, you still can edit accordingly. This is how you make use of SQL AI Scan. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.